How to reset your BDO online banking password safely and quickly. First, open the BDO online app on your phone. Once you are on the login screen, look below the username and password fields. Then tap Forgot Username or Password. This is the official option for account recovery. Next, choose the option to reset your password. The app may ask for your username, registered email, card number, or account details to verify your identity. Enter the correct information carefully. After that, BDO may send a one-time password or OTP to registered mobile number. Enter the code on the screen to continue. Now, create your new password. Choose something strong and easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Avoid birthdays or simple numbers combinations. For example, use SafeBank 2026 or MySecure #789 instead of weak passwords. Next, re-enter the new password to confirm it. Then tap Submit or Reset Password. Wait for the confirmation message that your password has been updated successfully. Once done, go back to the login screen and sign in using your username and new password. Make sure you are using only the official BDO app